Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure home office method in TurboTax easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure the home office method in TurboTax, start by opening your TurboTax application. Sign in to your account using your credentials. From the main dashboard, navigate to the Federal section. Click on Deductions and Credits to proceed. Locate the Business Expenses section within the Deductions menu. Select Home Office Deduction to begin the setup. Read through the introductory information provided and click Continue. Next, you will be prompted to answer questions about your home office. Indicate if you used a specific area of your home exclusively for business purposes. Select the type of business you operate or indicate that you are self-employed. Enter the square footage of your home office space. Now, you will need to input the total square footage of your entire home. TurboTax will calculate the business use percentage based on these numbers. Next, provide information about your home expenses, such as rent, utilities, and repairs. Enter the total amount spent on each applicable expense during the year. TurboTax will help determine which of these expenses can be allocated to your home office. Follow any on-screen prompts to ensure all necessary information is provided. Once you have completed the home office section, review the information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Continue to save your changes. Finish any remaining sections of your tax return as needed. Finally, ensure you review your entire return before filing to confirm your home office deduction is accurately applied. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.